I'm an OBGYN physician. I started off in our office doing various aesthetic procedures like Botox and fillers. We have different lasers in our office. We use Cineron and Cynosure lasers. I wanted to learn some more advanced procedures, so I went on the internet and did a search for a seminar company, and I found one. They promised a complete program with hands-on training. Well, my assistant and I went to the program, and it really was very basic, very general. We really didn't get a whole lot of hands-on training. So I went back to the internet and searched again, and I was so happy to find Empire Medical Training.
I went through all the internet and I called them, and they pretty much assured me that I was going to get all these years of just learning this new medical field. The hands-on training with the doctor was amazing. It was a small group. It was myself and 3 other participants. We got to learn a lot with the instructor, was more hands-on, and that's what I need. I'm a very visual person, and I need to be with an instructor that's going to do the procedure right in front of us.
So I'm here in Florida today, and I've just completed the Botox and filler courses and also the advanced thread lift training program. And I have to say that this is without a doubt the best workshop I've ever attended. The didactic part was very thorough and very complete. When we got to the hands-on training, I was a little bit concerned because I saw a lot of physicians in the classroom. But during the hands-on, everything was very organized. I was in a small group with 3 or 4 other doctors, and we had our own physician, and we worked directly with that doctor.